We ran a free, fair, credible, transparent election 2022. And as a commission, we have put in place structures which the incoming team should build on. And these structures are espoused in our policies, manuals, as well as the operational standard operating procedures of the commission. So we are living in a commission that has strong structures, a strong secretariat, and our CEO, who is the president, Mr. Marjan. And we finished the term, three of us, Professor Gulia and Molu, they are in the room. And we feel we have done our best for the country. And we believe that the incoming team should pick up from where we have left it and take us to the next level. So, Your Excellency, I wish to hand you over the exit report, our post-election evaluation report, as well as the other documents which have been used by the Commission to manage the corporate governance issues. Yeah, this is a statement from the Commission as regards the verdict of the Supreme Court today on the presidential election petitions. The Commission appreciates Kenyans for peacefully exercising their democratic right to vote on the 9th of August in accordance with Article 38 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. In fulfillment of the Constitution, the Commission put in place a robust and transparent election infrastructure to ensure that the votes cast were counted, electronically transmitted, verified, tallied, announced, and declared in line with Articles 81 and 86 of the Constitution. The general election was conducted by about 1,000 dedicated permanent employees of the Commission, assisted by over 400,000 temporary staff countrywide. The Commission is grateful to this staff for a job well done. Additionally, the Commission recognizes the support by stakeholders, including the judiciary, the National Police Service, and service providers who participated in the electoral process. The Commission gives special recognition to development partners who provided support that bridged financial gaps in the Commission's budget. In the course of discharging our constitutional duty, the Commission and its staff endured harassment, intimidation, abduction, arrests, and some lost their lives. It's tragic that Mr. Daniel Mushoka, a returning officer for Embakasi East constituency, was abducted and tortured to death in the line of duty. In addition, Mr. Geoffrey Kitobu, a returning officer for Kishugu constituency, died in what could be election-related stress upon completion of elections in his constituency. In this general election, the abuse of Iebc staff reached an unimaginable scale. Apart from the two deaths, the Commission and staff suffered other atrocities, including, but not limited to, assault and injury of the chairman, Commissioners Professor Abdi Gulie and Boya Molu, and the Commission Secretary and Chief Executive Officer Mr. Marjan Hussein at the National Tallying Center during the declaration of results. Unwarranted arrest of a voter education coordinator by anti-terrorist police unit on the floor of the National Tallying Center, who was detained for 3 days. Abduction, torturing, and holding incommunicado for 9 hours of the managed election operations and the support staff by persons to be believed to be security agencies. Attempted arrest of 3 staff members who are lawfully verifying election results on the floor of National Tallying Center. Abduction of a staff of a service provider working at the National Communication Center. Harassment and physical assault of staff of service providers manning heavy-duty printing and photocopying machines at the National Election Communication Center. Physical assault of election officials in parts of Narok, Kakamega, Kirinyaga, Wajir, Nairobi, amongst others. In one instance, a presiding officer in Eldas constituency was shot in the leg, resulting to amputation. Physical assault of returning officers, bringing results to the National Tallying Center. Breaking into offices of senior commission staff at the National Tallying Center with the intention of accessing sensitive data. Ethnic profiling, targeting, and cyberbullying of members of the commission and its staff. To date, no one has been arrested for these crimes committed against members of the commission and its staff. As it stands, no human rights or civil society organization have condemned these heinous acts meted on the commission and its staff. Working for Iebc should not be a death sentence. The commission reiterates that election is a process and not an event. This process started immediately after 2017 general election, and the commission tested its systems and processes in over the 40 by-elections in the last 5 years. Therefore, the Supreme Court judgment today is a testimony that the commission conducted a free, fair, transparent, and credible general election that met the democratic aspirations of the people of Kenya. The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is finally vindicated. We look forward to the full judgment of the Supreme Court, as well as feedback from our stakeholders during the post-election evaluation exercises which will inform areas of improvement in the electoral process. Finally, the Commission wishes to thank immensely its legal team in not only defending it, but also ensuring that the sovereign will of the people of Kenya is protected. God bless Kenya. God bless the Iebc. Thank you. That's our statement today. And unless you have one or two questions. Yes, Hassan.
I'm asking about the four other commissioners. Have you gotten to speak to them, or are you expanding an olive branch for posterity?
I don't know where that's coming from, but let me say this, that as a commission, we follow the law, and it's up to them and their conscience what they want to do going forward. But as a commission, we follow the law, and we have not chased away anyone. Yeah, thank you. So, situonane, asante.